These days, smart security cameras are no longer just optional gadgets for tech enthusiasts. They're becoming part of everyday life for homeowners, apartment users, and even small business owners who want better protection and peace of mind. And one of the most talked about options right now is the Ring Spotlight Cam Pro Battery 2-Pack. After spending time using this setup, it's easy to understand why so many people are upgrading to systems like this. The first thing that stands out is how modern and clean the entire package feels. The cameras have a sleek white finish that blends naturally into outdoor spaces instead of looking bulky or outdated. Whether mounted near a front door, driveway, garage, backyard, office entrance, or storefront, the design feels premium without drawing too much attention. But design alone doesn't make a great security system. The real strength here comes from the overall experience. Starting with installation, this is one of the easiest security camera systems to set up because it's battery-powered. There's no complicated wiring process, no dealing with electricians, and no need to drill through multiple walls trying to hide cables. The flexibility of wireless placement makes a huge difference because you can position the cameras exactly where coverage is needed most. For people who rent homes or apartments, that convenience is especially important. Once connected through the app, everything feels surprisingly smooth and straightforward. Pairing the cameras is quick, navigation is simple, and accessing live footage takes only seconds. That polished software experience matters because some smart cameras have good hardware but frustrating apps that ruin the overall experience. This system avoids that problem. Now let's talk about the feature that matters most: image quality. The Retinal 2K video recording delivers noticeably sharper footage compared to standard outdoor cameras. Details appear cleaner, motion stays smoother, and identifying faces or objects becomes much easier. Whether someone is approaching your property, dropping off packages, or moving near an entrance, the footage remains clear enough to actually be useful. That extra clarity becomes even more valuable when reviewing recorded clips later. Daytime performance looks excellent with balanced brightness and natural-looking colors. Even difficult lighting situations are handled surprisingly well, especially when sunlight hits directly into the camera view. But nighttime is where this system starts separating itself from many competitors. Most security cameras rely heavily on black and white infrared night vision, which works but often loses important details. Here, the color night vision feature combined with the built-in spotlight creates a much clearer and more realistic nighttime image. Instead of dark, blurry shapes, you can actually see colors, clothing details, movement patterns, and surroundings more clearly. That makes a huge difference in real-world security situations. The spotlight feature also serves another important purpose beyond visibility. Bright, motion-activated lights instantly attract attention and can discourage suspicious behavior before it escalates further. Sometimes simply making people aware they are being monitored is enough to prevent problems altogether. Another major advantage is the smart motion detection system. Alerts arrive quickly, and the camera does a solid job reducing unnecessary notifications caused by random environmental movement. Nobody wants constant phone alerts triggered by trees, shadows, or harmless motion throughout the day. The detection system here feels more refined and practical for everyday use. And when motion is detected, the live feed opens quickly without frustrating delays. Audio performance is another area that feels surprisingly refined. The two-way Talk with Audio Plus feature allows conversations through the camera with clear voice quality from both sides. Whether communicating with delivery drivers, visitors, customers, family members, or unexpected guests, conversations sound natural and loud enough to be genuinely useful. For business owners, that can be extremely practical. The two-camera package also adds a lot of flexibility right away. Instead of covering only one area, you can immediately monitor multiple important locations around your property. One camera can focus on the main entrance while the second covers a backyard, parking area, side entrance, or garage. That wider coverage creates a much more complete security setup from day one. Battery life depends on motion frequency, recording settings, and overall usage, but for most users it should comfortably handle daily monitoring without constant charging. And because the batteries are removable, Recharging stays simple and convenient. Smart home compatibility is another reason these cameras are becoming popular. Integration with Ring products and Amazon Alexa devices makes the experience feel even more connected. Voice alerts, smart display support, and connected routines all help turn the cameras into part of a larger smart home ecosystem. That extra convenience adds real value over time. One of the biggest strengths of this system is reliability. Security products need to work consistently every single day, not just during the first week after setup. This camera system feels dependable during regular use, and that reliability is ultimately what matters most when protecting your home or business. Everything from video quality to motion responsiveness feels polished and thoughtfully designed. For anyone looking to improve property monitoring, package protection, outdoor surveillance, or general home security, this setup delivers a combination of premium features without making things overly complicated. Sharp 2K footage, strong nighttime visibility, fast alerts, wireless convenience, clear two-way communication, and smart home integration that feels genuinely useful. All of that makes the Ring Spotlight Cam Pro Battery 2-Pack one of the strongest smart security camera systems available right now. If you want to buy this product, make sure to check the link provided in the description below.